gentlemen, welcome to another vloggy vlog. As you see me riding in the rain on a beautiful summer day. I'm north of Unadilla, 10 miles from Gilbertsville, and currently getting soaked. This was not part of the plan. What's funny is I was just hanging out in this beautiful little campground. Totally nice, totally dry. And I saw these clouds rolling and I was like, I bet it's gonna rain. It's raining, but it's all good. I'm just coasting. I got no plans. I'm going to Gilbertsville. It's a town I've never been to before, so that's the only reason. Apparently there's a bakery there, but since I'm pretty much gonna be soaked, I may just keep going. I'm not particularly hungry anyway. Oh, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful day, and I'm so happy I get to share these videos with you. Do they provide any value? Bro. I don't know. It's interesting. The other day, I left a comment on somebody's Instagram thing, kind of talking shit, because it was obviously some fake scripted bullshit going on. This guy like meets girls and blah blah blah, and I was like, the scripts are getting crazy. I said something like that. I was like, the scripts are getting wild. That was my comment, and somebody literally commented, you are irrelevant. Way to leave comments to try to get some relevancy or some shit like that. And I was like, first of all, I didn't even know who that was. So my response was, what? Who are you? And then I looked up and I saw who it was. And it's not someone I particularly respect anyway, so their opinion does not matter at all. It's some nerd. It was some nerd. Well, it got me to thinking, like, besides talking shit, I kind of stay in my own lane, you know? This is not for everybody. Like, I don't expect anybody to enjoy or watch these vlogs, you know? Like, just chilling here. Just relaxing. I'm not trying to be, like, current or relevant. I mean, everybody wants to be relevant, but what the fuck does that even mean? It's funny, I totally forgot about it, but something just reminded me about that whole thing. I don't remember what it was, but yeah. So I guess the rain stopped, so that's cute. We got 7 more miles until this town. I'm gonna take a look at it, take a gander, and then I'm gonna spin about, continue going to Andy's. I should get some food. I haven't eaten today, but I'm also kind of not hungry. I had a bunch of coffee and then a vitamin water. I love roads like this. These are my favorite kind of roads, actually. Just straight up back roads like this. Straight up back roads. Nice. Thanks, bud. Yeah, look at these back roads. Like, there's literally nothing here. There's no, this is just like a connecting road, a country road. Because there's no real purpose to it. Not a major vein, if you will. Ooh, now it's getting dark. Now it's gonna pour. Now I have a feeling I'm gonna regret not stopping and waiting it out in that little gazebo. It's all good. This is where the deer like to play, I guarantee you. And they like to come out in this weather, cool down a little bit, get a shower. savage deer. This looks like a fun road to go really fast on too. Nice chill turns, sweepers. Oh, it feels nice and cool. I'm digging it. My pants were getting stuck to me. Oh my god. There's a rain over there, baby. Look at that. You can see it. It's pouring over there. Right in that valley. That's gorgeous, man. Look at that. That's where I'm headed. Into the mountain of Mordor. This turn is 15 miles per hour, so let's respect the suggestion. Ooh, there's also gravel here. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. In a while, we'll take a little right. So fresh here. A little bit of cow shit or horse shit. Yeah. Delicious. Delicious. The smell of farm country. Nice turns. Fun little dinky turns. Fun little dinkers. Oh, there's a little bit of rain. Ooh, that was cute. Seems it's rain here just recently. Oh, it's drizzling again. Micro drizzle. Ah. There we go. About to take a right on River Road. Very cool. Take a left over here. Ooh, school bus. Yeah, it's kind of raining in a weird way. Yeah, we're only 3 miles from the glorious destination. I don't mind the summer rain. Don't mind it at all. Look at this. This is what you do if you want to enjoy riding in the rain. You just have a positive mental attitude. Like me. I am the freaking poster child. Butternuts Highway Department. Butternuts. Yo, family. Oh, it's another little park over here. Oh, that's adorable, bro. Look at that park. Damn. That's gorgeous. I could stop and, you know, hide. But we're not gonna. Or should we? Maybe I should. Nah. We're going. So, I have a feeling this rain is going to pass really soon, and I'm just going to be wet. And I'm just going to be wet. So yeah, not stopping in Gilbertsville. I mean, not like getting off the bike. Obviously, I'm going to make a stop, have a look around, but yeah, this is proper rain now. Not even wear a jacket. Yeah, I'm gonna be soaked. My butt is soaked now. You know when like your underwear on the back is wet? You're in for you're in for a nice wet situation. One more mile and we're golden. And I don't know, I feel like once I get there the rain will stop, but it's probably not true. Maybe there'll be an awning, maybe not. Don't care, don't need one. We're chilling, bro, we're cruising. And here we are, I think we're in town. Gilbertsville, baby, we did it, we fucking made it. We made it to Gilbertsville, boys and girls. Adorable. I wouldn't mind being wet, but like my butt being wet on the cheeks, it's a little upsetting. But you know, positive mental attitude. Oh right, my jacket is unzipped. I have all the vents open. Oh, okay. So yeah, I was not prepared for. It was supposed to rain at 4 p.m. basically. Supposed to rain at 4 p.m. Not now. All good. Did it really stop raining? Yeah. I guess once I got to Gilbertsville, it stopped raining. And here we are. My sister told me about this town. Look at that, that's cute. That's adorable. Five kids, big house. Alright, well, we made it to Gilbertsville. So, I guess we're good. Oh. Thank you for watching, boys and girls. I appreciate you. I'm gonna walk around a little bit, see what I got. Oh yeah, the bike is nice and wet. Look at this. Eee. Moisture. Moisture and wetness. It's all good. It's all good. Alright. I will talk to you all soon. Bye.